Hello guys and welcome back. So now if we start the game, as you can see when the cutscene starts, okay, as you can see when it show the cutscene, okay, and when the cutscene right here ends, as you can see the player controls and nothing works, okay, only the AI characters are working, and as you can see these animations are not working as well. So let me tell you the reason behind it. It is due to this if and else if this two ifs condition, okay. Right here when the start game is equals to true, it just make them false and this one to true, and when this is true it makes these true and that false. So as you can see this is inside the update method and these two are just calling again and again and again. So that's why the player is unable to move, okay. So now what we need to do right here is that when the cutscene ends, okay, right here when the cutscene ends equals to true, when that is true, okay, then what we want to do right here, we will set the main camera instance start game to false. Since now the game is being started, the cutscene has ended, so now we need the start game to be set back to false, okay. So make sure that you type that in this if condition, and then if you get back right here, okay, and play the game again, let's click on start and let me pause the game right here, so when the timeline ends I will show you. So now right here when the timeline is about to end, as you can see when the timeline ends, now we are able to control our player. As you can see everything is working perfectly fine. Let's pick all of the rifles and everything. Let's open up the menu. As you can see everything is working perfectly fine, okay. We can use different weapons as you can see, okay. So now that issue is being fixed as well.